Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Manda, licensed esthetician and lash artist. Today's a super simple video. I'm just showing you how I clean my wax pot. So I finally got to the bottom of my wax pot. It is a 5-pound wax pot from Star Pill. I absolutely love it. This is it right here. And I'm finally, let me show you. I'm finally in the very end of it. So I wanted to show you how I deep clean my wax pot because I wish I had this video when I was cleaning wax pots. I was always asking people like, how do you clean your wax pot? So I'm gonna walk through everything, how I get it sparkly clean like brand new so I can put brand new wax beads in there. So if you are wondering how to do it, just go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so this is my little setup, my little wax cart. Love everything about that. So what I use, of course you need like a pair of gloves. You need GG Shirt Clean. So GG Shirt Clean, this stuff is bomb for cleaning off wax. I literally pour it all over my floors, take a Swiffer and take all the wax off of my floors. This is gold. So if you don't have any GG Shirt Clean, make sure you get some. In this bottle, I have 99% alcohol. I use this after I finish cleaning the pot. And then a whole roll of paper towels. I go through a bunch of paper towels when I'm cleaning my wax pot because I want it brand new, as if I never even put wax in it. So this is everything that I use and I will show you everything. All right, so I have my gloves on, as you can see. First things first, make sure that you have your wax pot on. I have it on and I have it set to about 73 degrees. So I have it nice and hot. The wax in there is hot. So first thing I'm gonna do is try to take out all the wax that's in there. So I do that by using paper towels. Make sure you're super careful because you can burn yourself. So this is what I'm gonna do first. Completely clean with the GG Shirt Clean. It makes it literally no wax residue. I love this stuff. Now after this, to disinfect, I go in with some 99% alcohol just to make sure I'm getting any dirt, dust, bacteria that could have grown in here out. I like to keep my alcohol in a little spray bottle, just makes it easier for me. And all right, that is the finished product. That is how you completely clean your wax pot. All right, so my wax pot is completely clean. I normally do this once a month. Make sure you're cleaning your wax pot. Of course, I don't double dip. I don't stick any used wax sticks back into a pot. I never do that, but you wanna make sure that you're keeping the area clean because you just never know. So I clean it once a month, deep clean it just like this. Make sure all the wax is out so I can put a fresh new bag of wax in there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions for me, please let me know. I want to thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Love always.